Now remember, at the end of the video are the pictures of the t-shirts. And in order to win the t-shirt giveaway, we're going to draw one name. You put in the comments which t-shirt you'd like, the size. Give us a like and make sure you're subscribed. We're at 178 subscribers. When we hit 200, we're going to have the giveaway. And I may be adding a aircraft type t-shirt to the mix, so that will be one of the choices too. So be sure and stay tuned. Okay, now we're going to glue these edges and install the end pieces on the upper wall. Okay, here's our upper panel and our lower panel. Got a little darker than I would have liked, but I guess that's just the way it goes when you wing it. Okay, we'll take a look at where we're at this evening. I've got the, I guess, struts for the galley spaced in. And up there is the header stringer. And I do have a larger spacer on this side. That was my mold for my struts, so I didn't want to waste any more wood. So basically I have about a 1/2 inch in spacers. And then I have the 3-inch board for the bottom. They're just all sitting there. They're not glued or screwed in yet. I gotta put the laser. I bought a cheap laser level from Harbor Freight, and I want to laser all those and maybe shim the stringers a little bit, get everything level, then glue and screw it. And what I use, it's not exactly Baltic birch, but it's a close neighbor. And we'll cover it with that, put on a couple coats of urethane, throw on the aluminum, and then bend the aluminum trim around the edge here. Put our gasket on. On the back here, we're going to run a piece of aluminum flashing all the way to the frame. all the way past to the frame. And we're getting closer, but I don't know. I got to get this thing registered by the 15th of May, so I'm getting close on time. Okay, here we are after gluing and pocket holing the upper stringer. You know, we got the lower piece glued and pocket screwed in. So now when those dry and everything's firmed up, we'll tackle these stringers and then lay on the Baltic birch and the aluminum and apply the edging and the aluminum edging and the hurricane hinge, and should be getting closer to finish. I decided to leave the wall out in case for any reason once we got the Baltic birch on when we're and the aluminum when we're trying to mount the hinge, if we had to be back here for any reason. So we'll get the hatch firmed up before we add the back wall. I still have to urethane, and it's hasn't been getting much over 45 degrees, so we got to get some warm weather.